Hey, what's going on? My name's John Erickson. Been fully vaccinated and boosted. Be more than happy to style my hair for this, or even get it cut. The next shot, you'll see my full body and what it looks like when it's a bit shorter and clean cut. Thanks so much. I'm not even joking you. We're down at the shore, drinking beers, and the pigs show up, right? And we're running, and my buddy's pants fall down. I'm like, dude, you gotta put on a belt or something. And all of a sudden he's like,
want some iced tea?
iced tea? My grandma drinks iced tea. What are we, the nursing home here? Come on. Get a load of her, guys. Iced tea? Yeah, what about with some lemon? Or with a lime and a sprig of mint? That would be very lovely. Right, so his pants fall down, and the pig's coming around, and it's amazing. There was a stain. Yeah, no kidding. And then all of a sudden, it's in the mashed potatoes. I know, totally inappropriate. So anyways.
Hey, you want some iced tea?
Iced tea? My grandma drinks iced tea. Get a load of her, guys. Next thing, she'll ask if I want some lemonade. Or an Arnold Palmer. Gosh, how about a Shirley Temple? Nice one. All right. So anyways, back to the mashed potato story.